Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this Hoover Dynamic Next condenser dryer with a faulty heater element which I'm going to replace today. Just show you the area I'm going to be working in. Let's get a little bit closer. So first and foremost I've got to remove this blower cover. That's where the element is kept. Just fast forward this just to make the video a bit shorter, because there's quite a few screws. Obviously make sure you've disconnected from the mains, as you can see I have. So just going to get these two screws off here which hold the heating element in place. And then the heater element just unhooks like so. And just undo this grommet from at the back, and then this little white clip here, which we'll get back to later. This is a retaining clip. It keeps the wires away from the motor and the drum. So I'll just use a pair of pliers, just press the sides and push it in like so. And then it's just a case of pulling the wires through with the socket carefully. And here you can see that I've got the socket out. So it's just a matter of disconnecting the socket. You can see here, it's the connector for the heater. And just keep one finger on it because I don't want it to fall back into the machine, because if it does I'm going to have to take the cover off, take the front cover off. And here's the new heating element here. I'll put the old one to the one side there. And so all I'm going to do is just plug this connection in, and that's the new one plugged in. Just get a close up here. And like I said, if something goes wrong you will have to take the cover off. So what I'm going to do is just tuck the socket in side, and then I've got this bit of wire here and I've just stripped it in the middle. You can see this, you get close up there, because what I've got to do, I've got to feed it through the machine like you see here, to pop it through where the grommet came, where the fixing clip came out of, and it should, because I've put a curve on it, pop out this hole here. And now I've just got to fix it to this clip. Let me just highlight that for you. That's the retaining clip for the cables, keeps the cables away from the motor and the drum. So what I've got to do is hook the wire around it like you can see me doing there, and then pull it through, pull it back through, reverse of how I first removed the old unit. So you can see me just fixing the wire around the retaining clip here. And I'll just give you a close-up of what it looks like when it's in place. There you can see there. So all I've got to do is just pull that through, and you heard it snap through there. That's it, fitted there. So the retainer, the cable retainer is in place. So I'll just cut this wire off and discard it. Don't need this anymore. Like I said, if something goes wrong you will have to remove the front cover and do it that way. Just get it close up there. That's the clip in. Okay, so now it's just a case of hooking the heating element, this new heating element on, and then there's just two retaining screws what I'm putting in here, hold it in place, and then this white wire just sits in this little recess here, and then I just put my finger in there, just make sure the wires are down out the way, away from the drum. And it's just a matter of plugging this grommet back in. As you can see there, just pull the wire a bit more because it's got to sit in this recess like so. And now that that's done, it's just a matter of putting the blower cover back on. And I'll speed this section up also because there's quite a few screws, just to make the video shorter. and that's complete there. Let's get rid of this old unit. Okay, so I'm just going to plug it in and test it. So I'm just going to leave it for a bit, see if it warms up. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.